Who shall bless no man curse Reggae Sumfest? If you know your man clean, push up your hands up. Whoa, yeah, 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 yeah.
The people them wait for Tarrus, right?
Never touch the lion.
Everybody wait for Tarrus.
We are confident in the victory of good over evil. Who shall bless? So the evil that made me harm, well, they can go back where they came from. No demonic words from form shall prosper. Yeah, I tell the Obian the science man come, because they can't touch it. This valley of this, and I never been a weak heart in the wilderness. The power of Jah preserve I and guides in all that I do now. So try it through the listen up. We can last for workers of iniquity. Rastafari, I'm my security. Oh, and I'm alone. Oh, that's up. Get you on the mic, so go on, sing it, sing it. So we say, who jobless? One more time, and we say, who jobless? All right, we can last for workers of iniquity. Sure, Rasta, a reggae sumfest in the morning. Push up your voice, boy. In the morning, what you say? I keep them far from vampires. In the morning, holding out, I will be forward. Oh boy, we'll keep them by your right hand. I keep them far from Satan. Yo, someone on worship vanity, and they're not loving family. You know what I want you? Hey, you spend all that money on your watch. Well, how much time you spend with the son? So much money in the club of you. How much you spend with the one you love? The simple thing on your neck. Hey, simple thing on your neck. Simple thing on your neck. You notice a blessing. You pick it with the shoes on your feet, but you're not pick and choose the friends that you keep. Watch where you eat. Why? And when last you get a good sleep. The simple things. The simple. Softer. When you feel reggae Sumfest. And when you say the simple. Alright, Sumfest. Relax, relax, relax. I'm running when I rush. I'm there. You should look up and look, make some noise. From where youth, we hear about diamond socks. But how many of you ever seen diamonds in a socks? But that's a vanity. The best thing and the best blessing is family and friends. And the things that money can buy have the real value. You know that? You don't know that? So when we say chop, simplicity we use to survive. Them find it difficult, them ignore it time. But I wonder if you get trained, I'm going to get trained in life. And you want it, but I know you're not going to rise. In life, don't get chance so often. Cut on the sadness, it's just a laughing. Time I think it's just a lifetime passing. You come and love the puppy. Listen, hey, let me tell you this, my brother. Good days, bad days, you don't see how weather. When I spend outside car and cheddar, we go push right in, we go pay a bar. And boy, spend time together. Cherish everything. I'm running. You need to push up your voice and sing along again. And then get some press. You know we rest. I say protect my young. Hey, say protect my young. Oh, say protect them my young. Hey, but you don't notice a blessing. I say protect my young. We give thanks and praise. We give thanks. That's the part where you clap. Let me check who they are. All of the real man, they know so them a man and them are mannequins. All of the girls, they know them are good looking. Scream! It's a pleasure to be here. Big up to you all. Hey, I'm good night. I represent for reggae music and dancehall music. Give yourself a round of applause. You can clap yourself and love yourself. They not teach me to love yourself. We have to love yourself. You know the next thing we have to love? One another. love each other. And if you're here with your friend, look to your friend and tell them this. You can depend on me. Yes, you can. You can depend on me. Boy, I'm in your corner, friend. I'm in your corner. Anytime the trouble is on, I'm in your corner, friend. Oh, I'm in your corner. When you need someone around, you know I'll be your friend. Cause I'm in your corner. I'm in your corner. I'm in your corner, friend. Oh, I'm in your corner. And I'm never gonna let you down. So when I call you my brother, I mean it. What's thicker than blood? Realness. I'm not leaving. Share the food and make we feed together. Depending on where we play. I'm in your corner, friend. Well, I'm in your corner. Oh, anytime the trouble is on. Softly, softly, softly. You see me and the Brazilian melody that you know? Me hear say last night he mash up in here. All the respect, Master, I say one side. What do you want? In the there, so I go sing it. And if me lose it all and everything slide, the host them and the big right, just stand up by the king's side. We have some God that hold it up on the inside, one corner and the field side, no matter how they think fight. You know your corner like the coach and the ring side, yeah. But we losing on no close, cash no swing my way. Not patrolling on the road, but never switch, I say. If we fight that to the death, can that it? Sumfest, when I call you my brother, I mean it. Much thicker than blood, really. I'm not leaving. And if you have a real friend, push up your hands high and we love it. Cause I'm in your corner, friend. I'm in your corner. Oh, anytime the trouble is on, I'm in your corner, friend. Oh, I'm in your corner. Who change it when you need someone around? You know I'll be your friend. I'm in your corner. I'm in your corner. Well, I'm in your corner, friend. Well, I'm in your corner. Never wanna let you down. If you know the Bible, say, go on, sing it, sing it. Go on, sing it, sing it. All right. When I play softly, you know the words. Been together for a while. Hey, growing stronger every day now. Feels so good and there is no doubt. Hey, I will say. Boy, when I teach you morning in the sunrise and the flowers bloom in springtime, on my loving you can realize. I need the preacher girls to push up the voice and sing. Come on! I will stay with you through the ups and the downs, but I will stay with you when no one else is around. And when the clouds stay by your side, and I know we'll be alright. What one night is a night is. Hey, there'll be heartache and pain, boy. Yeah, through it all, we'll remain. Yeah, boy. In this life, we don't know friends they come and they go, but through the years I know I will and in the end we'll find a love so beautiful and deep, and we'll be lovers for a lifetime. We'll sing one night, stay with me. Come on. Oh, I will stay through the ups and the downs. I will stay with you, boy, when no one else is around. And when the dark clouds arrive, I will stay by your side, and I know we'll be alright. I will stay with you, yeah. I will stay. The microphone is on. I will stay through the. I will when no one else is around, and when the dark will stay by your side, and I know we'll be alright. I will stay with you. You can give me a round of applause again. I'm not going to clap me one night. I put on my clothes, the microphone is on, and nice is the man. So who wants to sing this? Well, I like that was the first segment. We're going to turn it up a notch now. I'm going to teach you about the circle of life. Because everyone knows about the cycle of life. But this is the circle of life. Pay attention. Take out your phone. You want to take out your phone. Trust me. Alright? The first time I come to Sumfest was with my father, Mr. Jimmy Riley. He bring me here and said, this is Reggae Sumfest. Liquor youth. And I said, what? Shaggy. And I look and say, what? Carnage. And I say, some big artists. And look at me on the pretty screen and say, no, and I'm shining. I'm doing things. But it's not about me tonight. I have some special guests. I want to introduce my special guest. My first special guest is a man called Mekim. Can I mean Mekim, you know? Mekim, where you there, youth? This is my son, Mekim. I'm going like I couldn't get him, so me Mekim. Walk out, star boy. I never seen him before. And if you never see him before, you're going to see him tonight. Clap my son. Clap my son. Now, I'm on somebody now they have been pretty looks. What you having on the guitar, brother? I'm going to play some of the song first. Sure. You know, most big man can't play guitar? Take out your phone. Watch it now. If you know the words, sing along. Looking out across the night time, the city waves a sleepless eye. I hear a voice shake my window, sweet seducing sights. Hey, oh, get me out, right there in the night time. Niceness in the Reggae Sumfest in the morning. Oh yeah, and if you feel alright and you're ready for all the vibes, I want you push up your voice and make we sing along tonight. Come on, and if they say why do you do it that way? And if they say why, when you say it's not done yet, it's not done yet. Mr. Music played very softly. Now my next secret weapon, it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you tonight my lovely little daughter, Sahai. Sahai, walk up and let them hear your voice. Her niceness, watch your shoes. Talk to them, Pepsi.
Good morning, Reggae Sumfest. My name is Sahai Riley, and this is my treat to you. Oh, I'm reaching out to a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere. That boy, and he knows I'm watching.
They say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Why do you do me that way? And if they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? I love living this way. Hey, sure, I love living this way. I love living this way. Hey, and she likes the way I see it. Make some noise to somebody that give. Yeah? What's up with the book? So that is the circle of life. Jimmy Riley, Tarrus Riley, make him say I have a problem, I can't get you out. You know what I mean? You want more music, are you tired? We're done there already, and we can't say we're sorry. Do you want more music? So go on, sing it. Nice of the Mr. Fraser, I make myself, I didn't know you already. Yeah! You know what I want, yeah? Well, it's a back of it. So we say, people, are you ready? Oh Lord, come back with the Sumfest and the lunch. What going on, sir? Are you alright? Once again, all the pretty girls scream. All the pretty girls scream. All of the man who love them woman say, good. And if you don't love the woman, I'll fire for you. Ladies, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. For all that you are. I love you, I love you, I love you. My star. And you never run away. You're always on time. And what you put together, let no one break asunder. When I'm gone, oh, she always there. Yeah, and when I'm gone, she never give my love. Sure, please. Sure. I'm a Superman, that's a Lois Lane. Used to weigh my problems when I went insane. To pick up the debts when I lost my name. She know she gave me something I could live for. Now everyone is asking what's the change. They don't recognize I've got so much to say. And I never thought someone loved someone so much they give up on everything. She know I will be there when you need me. You know, I will be there when you need someone to tell you that you're beautiful, baby. I will be there when you need someone to run with, and I will be there when you need someone to dance with. I'm in love with you, sky is turning bright, girl. Oh, you're beautiful, boy, because you're beautiful. Yes, you're beautiful. You're so beautiful, baby. I know you're beautiful. Oh, yes, you're beautiful, boy. Listen, I feel butterflies when I'm in your hands. You can turn the pavement into white sand. You can make a moment of memory in the plans. And I can't believe anymore. Everybody's talking, always writing, never stop listening, baby. And then I never found someone, love someone so much, give up on everything. You know, I will be the way you need me. I will be the way you need someone to tell you that you're beautiful, baby. Boy, I will be the way you need someone to run with. I will be the way you need someone to dance with. I'm your love until the skies turn gray, girl. Oh, you're beautiful, baby. Boy, because you're beautiful. Yes, you're beautiful. You're so beautiful, baby. Once again, all of the beautiful ladies scream. Softly, 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 softly. Oh, you. The microphone is on, you know. We're not mind, you know. I will be there when you need me. I will be there when you cry, baby. I will be there when you need someone to tell you that you're beautiful, baby. I will be there when you need someone to run with. I will be there when you need someone to dance with. I'm your love until the skies turn red, girl. Oh, you're beautiful. Oh, because you're beautiful. Oh, yes, you're beautiful. Oh, yes, you're beautiful, baby. I know you're beautiful. Some festivals beautiful. Whoa.